Hi, I'm Alex Bowman, driver of the number 88 LLumar Chevy Camaro ZL1 for Hendrick Motorsports. Growing up in Arizona, obviously it's really hot out there. There's a lot of sun. On my first car, after driving the car without tint, it was super hot and I wanted to get tint just to personalize it a little bit more. Just try to knock the heat down a little bit and made the car look a bunch cooler. I got tint on my new car for a variety of reasons. It gets hot in North Carolina too, trying to keep it a little cooler inside and looking cooler on the outside as well. After talking to the LLumar dealer, they kind of educated me about the benefits of getting the LLumar film on the front and the back of an SUV, knowing that the factory tint does not have the same UV and heat benefits as the LLumar film does. So we elected to go with it on the front and the back, and it looks really cool and it's a heck of a lot cooler inside as well. The installation when I got my vehicle tinted was super easy, super quick, it fit great, and the quality is awesome. I also realized that my dogs are much more comfortable in the back. There's a lot more privacy around town and going to racetracks around here and stuff like that, so there's been so many benefits, it's pretty cool.